Kushicilelwe imbali emfulo ngempelaveki ngelixa kudibana umdlalo wamanqindi nefashoni. Imbethi manqindi ngembethi manqindi zikhuphe ezanakutsho impahla zobukhazikhazi ngelinge lokubhiyozela ukugqwetha kwezemidlalo kwabasetyhini ngelixa kuphakanyiswa inkcubeko kunye nobuchule basezidolophini.
Usegqugquzele ukunakekelwa kwezemidlalo eyahlukene ongusekela ngqongqoshe wezemidlalo kuleli uPeace Mabe njengoba behambele umdlalo wesibhakela sabesifazane endaweni yaseMufulo.
The department, we are grateful that sports from different areas and not only South Africa but even beyond South Africa, boxing women, it is being elevated and promoted. You know, the money that we invest in boxing sports, it doesn't translate to boxers benefiting, because the amount that they get, then it means that they have a responsibility to also share it within the people that they are supporting them. So we've discussed and agreed that we need to find ways of making motivations for more allocations, especially for women in sport.
Kusenjalo abahleli bomcimbi kanye nabashaya isibhakela bathi ke balithokozelele lithuba eliyingqayizivele.
It gets to grow local talent and business in so many ways. When we were given this opportunity to host this event, we didn't just only look within ourselves as boxing promoters, but we have actually empowered women, SMMEs in particular. Those caterers that have given us these scrumptious meals, they were empowered. So boxing also can create and can be an economic driver.
I'm feeling good because amantombazana ixesha elinjena linqabile because amantombazana awafana adlaliswe kwi-promotion kwezinye promote. So ndayivela kakhulu nto leyo uba kubekho i-tournament amantombazana, only amantombazana. Iyandijabulisa kakhulu loo.
Lo mcimbi ubuhlanganise ezemfashini ukubonisa ikhono lezengqephu yendawo egqokiswe abashaya isibhakela. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseMufulo.